knew a simple jar of pink stuff cleaner could be so revolutionary? Prepare to be dazzled as we unveil 9 mind-boggling hacks and uses for this wonder product. You'll discover how it can effortlessly remove stubborn stains, tackle grime, and restore your furniture to its former glory. Don't miss out on all the pink-tastic goodness. Watch now and unlock a world of cleaning wizardry. Here are 9 household hacks you can perform with the pink stuff cleaner. 1. Remove tile grout stains. The secret lies in its unique formula, cutting through grime and stubborn stains. It can penetrate deep into porous surfaces like tile grout, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its gentle yet effective ingredients make it safe to use on various surfaces without causing any damage or discoloration. To use the pink stuff cleaner for this purpose, apply a generous amount onto the grout lines using a brush or sponge. Allow it to sit for a few minutes to work its magic before scrubbing gently with a brush. You'll be amazed at how quickly and effortlessly the pink stuff breaks down the dirt and lifts off the stains from the grout. You can easily tackle this cleaning task and enjoy fresh-looking kitchens and bathrooms all year round with the pink stuff cleaner. 2. Clear burn marks from pans and dishes. Have you ever encountered stubborn burn marks on your pans or dishes that won't come off no matter how hard you scrub? Well, the pink stuff cleaner might be the solution you've been looking for. This miracle cleaner can tackle even the toughest stains, including those pesky burn marks. With a unique blend of ingredients, this cleaning paste breaks down grime and grease without damaging surfaces. When dealing with burn marks, apply a small amount of the pink stuff cleaner onto a damp cloth or sponge and gently rub it onto the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow its magic powers to work. Then use some elbow grease and give it a good scrub, and then rinse. Your pan or dish will sparkle and be free from those unsightly burn marks. The pink stuff doesn't contain harsh chemicals or abrasives that can scratch or damage your cookware. Instead, it uses natural ingredients which can remove stains but is very gentle on surfaces. So whether your pans are stainless steel, enamel, or non-stick coating, you can trust the pink stuff cleaner to remove burn marks without causing any harm. 3. Clean your stovetops and oven. The pink stuff cleaner is perfect for tackling the tough stains and grease that often accumulate on cooking surfaces. Its abrasive nature helps remove even the most stubborn grime, leaving your stovetops looking brand new. In addition to its cleaning prowess, one thing that sets the pink stuff cleaner apart is its pleasant scent. You'll notice a refreshing aroma filling your kitchen as you clean your stovetops and oven with this miraculous product. To use the pink stuff cleaner for your stovetops, apply a small amount of the paste to a damp cloth or sponge. Gently scrub your stovetops or oven surfaces, paying attention to areas with stubborn stains. The abrasive texture will work magic and lift away dirt and grease without damaging the surface underneath. Rinse off with clean water and revel in your sparkling stovetops. 4. Remove soap scum on showers and sinks. The unique formula lifts stubborn residue, leaving your bathroom fixtures shining like new. Unlike other cleaners that require excessive scrubbing, the pink stuff works its magic quickly and effortlessly. Apply a small amount onto a damp cloth or sponge and wipe the surface in circular motions. Allow the cleaner to sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it with water. The active ingredients in the pink stuff will break down the soapy buildup without damaging the underlying surface. You'll be amazed at how easily soap scum disappears, revealing clean showers and sinks. 5. Clean scuffs on baseboards. The pink stuff cleaner is effective for tough stains and works wonders on scuffs that can accumulate over time on baseboards. When it comes to scuffs on baseboards, the pink stuff cleaner's abrasive texture gently buffs away these marks without causing any damage to the material. Not only does it remove stubborn stains, but its unique formulation also tackles those pesky marks left behind by shoes or furniture. To use the pink stuff cleaner on baseboards, apply a small amount onto a damp cloth and rub it over the scuff area. The mild abrasiveness will lift the scuff, revealing a clean and refreshed baseboard. Whether you have painted or wood baseboards, this cleaning solution will reinstall their original luster. Say goodbye to unsightly scuffs on your baseboards with this unexpected hack using the pink stuff cleaner. 6. Whiten dirty white shoes. The pink stuff cleaner can transform dirty white shoes into dazzling and bright footwear. Its unique formulation combines powerful cleaning agents with a touch of bleach. This dynamic combo removes tough stains, grime, and discoloration from white shoes, restoring their original brilliance. Using the pink stuff cleaner to whiten dirty white shoes is easy. Remove any loose dirt or debris from the surface of the shoes. Then, dampen a cloth with water and apply a small amount of the pink stuff cleaner. Gently rub it over the stained areas of your white shoes until you see the stains start to fade away. Afterwards, rinse any residue with clean water and let your shoes air dry for best results. 7. Restore outdoor furniture. If you want to buff up your outdoor furniture and bring it back to life, look no further than the pink stuff cleaner. This versatile cleaner is not just for indoor use, it works wonders on various outdoor surfaces. Whether your patio furniture has faded from the sun or accumulated dirt and grime over time, the pink stuff cleaner can rejuvenate and restore it to its former glory. To use the pink stuff, ensure the surface is dry and debris-free before using the cleaner. Apply a small amount of the cleaner onto a damp cloth or sponge and gently scrub the furniture in circular motions. For tough stains or stubborn dirt buildup, leave the cleaner on for a few minutes before rinsing off with water. The product's blend of surfactants will work its magic, leaving your outdoor furniture looking brand new again. 8. Remove rust from your appliances and home fixtures. Appliances and home fixtures are prone to rust, especially when exposed to moisture or neglected for long periods. But fear not, the pink stuff cleaner is not only effective at removing stubborn stains, but it also works wonders in eradicating rust buildup. Unlikely candidates for rust removal are toilet brushes and toasters. Over time, steel can develop rust patches that seem impossible to eliminate. However, you can restore your appliance's shine in no time with the power of the pink stuff cleaner and a little bit of elbow grease. Apply some cleaner onto a sponge or cloth, rub the affected areas, and leave it for some minutes. Scrub gently later until all traces of rust are gone. 9. Revive tired outdoor tiles and pavers. The pink stuff cream cleaner has received internet acclaim not just for what it can do inside the house, but for yard pavers and patios too. Start by wetting the paving with warm water before pouring over the pink stuff cream cleaner and scrubbing with a tough bristled brush. While this method takes a little hard effort, the results are as good as a power wash and are far less wasteful of water too. Finish by washing any remaining paste away and leaving the area to dry in the sun. As you can see, the pink stuff cleaner has become a must-have for every household with its surprising hacks and uses. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of computer and keyboard mites and bugs. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.